Greetings, my people. Today we are ride our whistle again in the day, you know. So I big up everyone who tune in and who are about to tune in and who are share and like the video. That's it. Alright, so you see today we are going to talk about the Reggea Sumfest. The first day, right, our night one. I going to run through the lineup. Well, I not run through the lineup still. Yeah, I going to talk about the performance, a few of the artists them. Then I go give like a strategy where them pull off, and then I give overall ratings. Now you see first night now. Alright, so the lineup for the first night you have Capleton, you have Idonia, Dexter Dap, let me see now, Valiant, YG Marley, TJ, Jada, I want it people depending on 450. You have Craft, Pablo YG, good you that. Turbulence, Munga, Blood Seed, you know, Master Chin, Kaka, High Flame, Malidan, and J-Kwan. Yeah man, and them people line up and some young artists them, you see. So young artists also. Alright, you see the overall, well me like how the setup was done. See? And it was a success. Was a success. Alright, so when we talk about like the performance of the new act them. So when I talk about the new act them, we are talking about like Pablo, Malidan them, Craft, you know, them youth there where them are wet them foot in the system, you know, in the stage. Them didn't perform bad. And overall, you see what now is that them line up at the time where them get to perform was really and truly good, because you can't perform as a young act any and any time. And these are things where you have to understand over the years. You have, you know, the promoter them learn by now. You know, you don't put certain artists certain time. And I gotta tell you about that as me go down. Zin, because I make that one quick and fast. Alright, so with a brother here, TJ come up and as him usual self. TJ have him song where I run a cut. It a get a good, it a run a cut for a good while you know. Drift. And you know say, yeah, drift. And the next one say, no, it's going to ready. Dip, yeah, dip. So him come up there and him really tough. And him call up this youth Enhance. See, Enhance. And Enhance did a, you know, a performance there in a short space of time where TJ gave him, which was good, credible. And him also mentioned about him youth where drop out. You know, you can watch it still. Talk about youth where drop out, and then him here get a call, so TJ want call him up on stage where, you know, emotional and thing. Yeah. We love that little piece of performance there. And you know, him talk about the thing and people start to get for, you know, understand where I come from. And yeah. The only thing I could say, boy, you know, dressing part, man. Why man you not put them pants at their waist, man? If I ever say you not put your waist, why a little bit below, man? Jesus Christ, man. What happened? What me pants stand up? You know, say if they start make pants without waist now, people are gonna say a fishy business. Put the pants on the waist, brother. Alright, move from this, cause me not take nothing from the performance and TJ's performance. Once again, YG Marley come up there, do him thing. You know, him have some good songs. You know, YG Marley is the grandson of Bob Marley, and him brought on him mother. What nobody never expects. Nobody never expect her, and she one of my favorite artists too. Christ, what's your name again? Members of the Fuji. Lauren Hill. Call up Lauren Hill, and Lauren Hill just Lego some tune, because trust me, she's a treasure. So she Lego some tune, and you know, so his performance was good, real good. Let me see who me can call up now again. Yeah, me no remember no more. Alright, so when we go down in the last part, because of the last part of the significant part of the show, and it's the last part of the show people use to judge the entire performance, believe it or not. So when the organizers them are line up the show. Them have to decide who are going to close the show, and then can't use no mediocre artists to close the show, and a young act. At one time I see a young act close a show at Sumfest, and it was with a brother then him sort of disabled a little bit, you know. He come from Mobile. I still remember his name. But the last two act them at the show was Turbulence and Capleton, Fireman himself. Alright. Turbulence now no current banger songs, no you know. But this is off a show when you're a good performer, you perform well at all occasions. No Turbulence went up there and him reel off some freestyle, I would have said pan the spot lyrics. We don't know if he write it before, but call it a pan the spot lyrics because him just freestyle it on stage and him rile up the crowd. And you can't take nothing from that. So him pave the way for Capleton where I come up and rile up the crowd, because me say no, you see when you perform at them hours of the morning there, you have to have some energy because people grumpy at them time they want to go in yard. You understand me? And if you not have nothing extra in you, them a go boo you, them a go walk off on you, and that no good for your track record. You understand? So he come up there and him run some tunes and he run some original hits, and you know say Turbulence a big artist. So he come up there and him have a style where he was and balance with him voice way up in a soprano. Brother, yeah man, him voice go way up in a soprano and he crowd love that. I mean I tell you say I create that entertainer, him come up there and him do it thing. You see me? Yeah man, me rate that style from him and him hold the crowd. Alright, so you see stage show thing you know, people don't understand it you know. Stage show and studio, totally two different something. You see in the studio, you need more discipline. On the stage, less discipline, but you have to have more skills. When you're on stage, you have a lot of leeway. Sometimes you can't even go off key and nobody not even know. On the stage. But because you dance good, and because you jump up and down good, and because you find the right tune for the right key, or not for the right for the right cue. Like you might say for instance, you cuss out certain man, and you have a song for that time there. You go draw up a crowd. Rather than you just have some big songs and you draw at the wrong time. See? So like Jamaica politician them, I rob up the money. Me just assess so politician, me not say we not do it. Me just a draw one country, so me not wanna pre me. Alright, so for instance, a politician they might rob up the money. See? And you say boy, you draw for your song, and at that you draw for at that time. You get forward. See? I saw stage show business go. It's not a matter of say boy you have big songs and you just bust it. You have to bust it the right time. In a studio now you just write and sing. So that's why you have some artists we are stage show artists and you have some we are studio artists. Ninja Man was a stage show artist. Stage show. Straight stage show. He released a lot of songs. At one point again, Sean Paul was not a stage show artist. He was just a studio man. And then work and learning craft. Alright, so move from him now to the closer of the show. Capleton. And this is what I gotta say, it's significant when you close a show different from when you're opener. When you're opener, yeah man, nobody, people just come in and want to make sure they have a spot where they stand up and make sure say this of them cement till the show done. So nobody not to a pre-wood up on stage in the beginning of the program. So then that's why them send up young act up there. If you go and hold some space and you know, if them do extra people note them and then can get future booking somewhere else. But the closing part now, Fireman. And if you watch our Fireman perform, you have to say, yes, this is a real strategy. And this are years of performing come to the fore. See? Alright, when him up there, before him ever sing a real song, aerobics class, a exercise class, I teach, I give the people them, you know. Here, up there. Yeah, man, here why that good too, because in the morning again, as me say, you know, people tired and people want to go home. So you say if you're there on stage and can't give the people them some command, even your song bad, them are going to drop asleep on you and them are go home. So you have to come up there and give them some aerobics class. And every minute you see me say, turn the camera in that crowd. Let me see man them who love their mother. Hands up. Hands up. Who love them father. And you know say, a man who in that crowd and can't put up hand if he don't love him mother, you know. Even if he no business wagwan. But he want the apartheid. So them the performance there. A way you talk about the show closer. You have to have artists like them there. Them the man have closer. Beanie Man, them, Bounty Killer, them, Baby Sham, Octane, them artists, that whole it more too. I don't know they come up there and do a good performance. That's not like typical I don't like performance, but you have to remember say that one was catered for Sumfest, because Sumfest is not just a sting, like a sting where you go up there and a warrior deal with. Sumfest you have people that they want to listen what you say and then go up there and then deliver. So I don't know, yes, I'm my artist that from day one. Alright. So overall, night one, Sumfest, glitch free, flawless performance. Is in? Flawless performance. And what may I say again is that how them do it, I have to go back in that part there. How them set the lineup was good. There's a thing when I see them do, and me don't know when that start. You know, but me see them have the timer. I don't know when it was started, but me see it for a while. The first time I really witnessed it was, I think, last year Sumfest when Massacre did up on stage and they have the timer and him did perform 2 hours, I think. But the timer was there, so you could have judged yourself and know which song you want to sing at what point in time and when you are close off what you do. Before that, you have artists a DJ man a whisper in their ears, you have 5 minutes you having a brother, which was not professional. So then them forward now and put the time out. As me say, me don't know when they start or if them take it from, you know, overseas act and see, but it is very, very professional. And you know artists are ball, because a man knows say at this a time I'm get the man have to whisper in his ears and tell him before he go up on stage him can see the clock. Pan state say yo 20 minutes me having us say you know you have to just rapid it up. Saying 100 meter sprint yard up. I rather a T20 just pit fire till the clock run out. You understand me, that's what me love. So overall night one good. I'm more have to know what I think. Me want to know what I go to do though. Cause drive obviously, you know. Is it? Yeah man, make me know what I go on. And this hour. Do quick. Out. So stay tuned for night 2 of Sumfest, the biggest reggae festival concert in Jamaica right. Well in our world right now. Out.